Do you want to remember anything faster? Don't just study it, teach it. This hack is called the teach back method. After you learn something, explain it out loud like you're teaching it to someone else. If you stumble or can't explain it clearly, that's where you need to study more. Why does this work? Teaching forces your brain to organize knowledge, not just recognize it. Recognition feels good but is shallow. Explanation builds mastery. When I was studying, I'd pretend to teach my notes to a friend. Within minutes, I knew exactly what I understood and what I didn't. It works for exams, presentations, even work projects. So here's how it works. First, you need to have something to teach. This could be anything from a new language to a technical skill to a random fact. It doesn't matter. Next, find a student. This could be a real person or a pretend one. Doesn't matter. You're going to explain the concept to them as if they're a beginner. This will force you to slow down and really think about the material. As you explain the concept, you're going to use different parts of your brain than you would if you were simply reading or listening to someone else talk about it. This is because when we teach, we have to actively retrieve information from our brains and then organize it in a way that makes sense to others. This process is what really helps us remember things long term. Plus, when we're teaching, we're more likely to notice gaps in our own understanding. We might stumble over our words or be unable to explain something clearly, which means we need to go back and study more. This is so much more effective than simply highlighting our notes or rereading our textbook. Those are forms of passive studying, which don't help us remember things nearly as well. If you're a student, try this hack during your next study session. You'll be amazed at how much more you remember. And if you're a teacher, this is an easy way to help your students learn and remember information. Just ask them to explain concepts to you or to their classmates. This will help them process the information in a different way and will help you identify any gaps in their understanding. So next time you study, try teaching it back. You'll remember twice as much. Follow me for more powerful study hacks.